Top 5 Best Propane Fire Pits. Number 5. Christopher Knight Home 296587. A stone finish like the one in most fireplaces can as well be quite appealing. If this is the case for you, the Christopher Knight Home 296587 Crawford Propane Fire Pit would be an excellent purchase. One significant advantage of this fire pit is the positioning of the flame. Should you have kids running around in your backyard, they are less likely to be injured by the fire as a result. The look of this device is achieved by putting together stone composite, magnesium oxide, and a bit of steel. Therefore, you get the assurance of durability with the product as well. Also, given its design, this invention will come fully assembled from the factory. After that, you need to find a suitable space in your backyard where the fire pit can find a permanent home. Given its weight, not many people will look forward to moving and repositioning it from time to time. Heat output is also relatively impressive. At 40,000 BTU, you are bound to get just the right amount of heat you need for the occasion. You also have to remember that the Christopher Knight Home 296587 Crawford Propane Fire Pit comes with adjustable flame height. This will no doubt be accompanied by adjustable heat settings. For that extra bit of aesthetic flair, this tool comes with lava rocks that can be positioned on top of the device. Of course, the flames that go through these lava rocks will come out looking a bit different where they flicker more. Coming in number 4. Bond Manufacturing 63172. The Newcastle Propane Fireball column can allow you to extend your outdoor season, lighting up the night, so you can entertain guests in your yard. This is a durable, yet lightweight column made using materials specifically chosen for long-lasting, strong outdoor use, such as Envirostone and the protective Procoat coating. The Fireball column has a stacked stone aesthetic that adds style and flair to the piece, and allows it to blend well with a variety of background decor styles. Whether you have a modern look or a traditional feel, this column will look great. The column provides a 40,000 BTU heat output that delivers gentle light and powerful warmth into your outdoor area. There is a pulse ignition system and control knob for easy lighting, but these also make it simple to adjust or extinguish the flame. The column has concealed storage for a standard 20-pound propane tank, allowing it to burn clean without any odor or smoke. The Procoat coating provides adhesion guard, so despite the extreme temperatures and potential exposure to UV light, it will not fade, chip or crack. However, the Newcastle is supplied with a protective cover to provide protection from the elements when it is not in use to preserve its integrity. Coming in number 3. Bali Outdoors 28-inch Propane Fire Pit. Another stainless steel offering makes it onto our list in the form of the Bali Outdoors 28-inch Propane Fire Pit. At 50,000 BTU, it is one of the high heat producing devices listed. This is but one of the many benefits one can expect with this purchase. Pricing is not so bad since most vendors will sell it at a price of below $180. This price was there at the time of this review, and is subject to change over time. We will also provide links that will allow you to look into the updated price of the devices when you read this write-up. This invention lacks of warranty coverage. So, if you feel that this is a make or break feature, you will likely need to look elsewhere. The electronic ignition only needs your fingers to turn a knob to do its job. This is, of course, if you have enough fuel in your propane tank. Also, this tool stands out since it provides a safety valve for its users. This puts it among the safest options around, especially when you are just igniting the fire. A hidden control panel is also ideal since it does not interfere with the exterior aesthetics of the tool. The lava rocks still look good on top of the device, especially when the fire is burning. Also, space has been provided on the device for the storage of a standard 20 pounds tank. Coming in number 2. YeSea Outdoor Fire Pit. The YeSea Outdoor Fire Pit is a superb addition to any patio. This stylish gadget is a must-have for relaxing weekends enjoying your yard or inviting friends to a bonfire party. You can create your ideal outdoor space with this multi-purpose fire pit. The YeSea Fire Pit includes heat-resistant glass gems that showcase the flames that are surrounded by a glass shield. When you're not burning the fire pit, you can use the provided lid, so you can use this fire pit as an outdoor dining table or coffee table. Regardless of how you're using it, this table looks stylish and will complement your outdoor decor. The YeSea measures 44 inches long by 32 inches wide, yet it is rated for an impressive 55,000 BTUs. There is an interior storage compartment that can accommodate a standard 20-pound propane tank. It is also compatible with a natural gas line if you purchase a conversion component, which is sold separately. The push-button spark ignition system means that you can easily fire up the pit and be enjoying the ambience within minutes. The aluminum frame construction ensures you can enjoy years of rust-free use, while the PE all-weather wicker will retain its good looks. Coming in number 1. Outland Fireball 870. Seeing as though fire pits are usually installed outdoors, you might want to get one with excellent aesthetics. This is a box that the Outland Fireball 870 Premium Outdoor Portable Propane Gas Fire Pit ticks for most people. Also, this tool has deservedly been named our editor's choice. If you look through the dimensions of all other options listed, you will realize that this is quite a small device. As such, if you have limited space, this product will probably be ideal in your backyard. The body of this fire pit is made of stainless steel. While this does come with relatively high levels of durability, it is also one of the lighter materials where fire pits are concerned. This means that the tool does not have to remain stationary in your backyard. You can move it around to find the best positioning for different events. Additionally, the pre-attached 10-foot hose is quite an asset. Also, since this is a propane and not a wood fire pit, you won't have to deal with ash and pesky cleaning routines. Nonetheless, you are guaranteed similar levels of heat provision. There is also the addition of the natural lava rock set to the device. These rocks serve no purpose other than to ensure the invention looks good as it is producing the flames. This is because they add to the fire flickering effects. A standard burner is as well incorporated to ensure easy operation. Those looking for even more benefits will be glad to find out that the device offers automatic ignition. Just in case it fails, make sure to have a matchbox close by when using the device. Also, if the idea is to take it out camping, the cover and carry kit should come in handy.